Let us start working on problem number 7 based on algebra. Right here, find the value of 2x minus y plus z when x is equal to 1, y is equal to minus 2 and z is equal to minus 1. Just you need to substitute the value of x, y, z in the given equation. In the given equation, that is 2x minus y plus z. Let us substitute the value of x is equal here to the value of x is 1, so that is going to be into 1, right, minus y value I need to substitute is going to be minus 2, right, so plus z value is so minus 1. Now let me multiply here 2 into 1, this is plus, right, 2 ones are 2, right, 2. So minus into minus, that will become plus 2 plus into minus minus, so 1. So answer here is 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Right, option A is the right one.